Hey, what's up, besties? It's your girl E.Michelle, and I'm back with another video. Thank you so much for stopping back by my channel. If this is your very first time, stop what you're doing, click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so that you don't miss any more of my videos. Alright, so today's video is going to be featuring this beautiful kit. I saw it, I think I saw it on Instagram, on her page, on Simply Me Kish's page. I was like, I have to have this to complete the end of Black History Month. I just thought this would be awesome and amazing, and y'all know how I feel about Wakanda and, well, I mean, Black Panther. But anyways, I love this movie, and I'm hoping that they actually won tonight. I haven't checked and seen. It is quite a bit late at night when I'm doing this, but I had a really good time on my live. So anyways, I am loving this kit. It's just so cute, and she sent it to me. I told her what I wanted to do, and she got it to me like right away. So thank you so much for getting this to me, just so I could provide this video to everyone else and just do something, you know, different or what have you. Okay, so there's that page, and then this is this one, and I can't remember if they all, like, if this was part of the kit that all came together, because I ordered some extra stuff here. Let me just show you real quick. And I love these. I think she hand letters everything herself too. It's really cute. She has this, and then this little cute card. Money can't buy you happiness, but it can buy you planners. Shh. Love that. And this is a add to cart kind of day. I think that's a cute one. And then I ordered this Kate Spade like mini kit. Yeah, so that one must have came together, and then I just kind of ordered these. I'm assuming that's what I did. Had to be something like that. This must be a mini kit. Anyway, so I'm excited to use these. That's a cute one too. My colors are black and gold. I'm about to switch my planner up, and it's gonna be that color. So anyways, let's go ahead and jump into this plan with me. I am planning in my A5 planner. This is the last week in February, so let's get into it. Oh my gosh, I gotta mark that it's the planner thing coming out. Okay, let's get into it.
All right, you guys, so as you can see, I was like having a little bit of the struggle bus trying to figure out what I wanted to do first. And y'all, these playing with me's are funny when you recording them, because people don't get to see, especially like the amount of times I speed this up. Like, I speed it up to 500%. That's, just be clear. So this video is like all of 50 minutes long to plan, but I also was like kind of taking my time and enjoying my planning session this particular time. So anyways, this kit is from Simply Me Kish, if you guys didn't catch the beginning, and I absolutely adore this kit. Like, it spoke to my entire soul, and it spoke to my Simply Gilded life. Like, it just gave me all of the feels that I needed in life to be doing this plan with me. So right off the back, y'all can see this month is February. February has never had 31 days in it. Never has it ever. And I don't know what I was going through in my soul, but yeah, I definitely put that there. And I realized, I was like, wait, this ain't right. And I don't think I caught it until the end. So anyways, that little tool there, my planner sis, and I feel like she's my sister in real life, her lovely plan, no S, has it, and I was like, let me try this. It looks like it's more precise and sharper and all that. Y'all, I can't work that thing to save my entire life. I just could not get it to work, and it just wouldn't let me be great. So I had to end up pulling out my slice, and I used that to like kind of make something shake. But yeah, like, so that little pause you saw, I was looking for whiteout, and for some reason, I don't know how many of y'all this happens to. When you're ready to plan, you got everything. Well, you think you got everything, and you sit down and you turn the camera on, and boom, you get ready to get something, and it's not where it needs to be. Like, that's exactly what happened this time. I could not find my whiteout. I still, to this day, right now, at this point, don't know where my whiteout went. But I'm so thankful for that 11-pack of whiteout that I got from Amazon. So I just reached in my drawer and grabbed me some after I finally gave up the fight. Sometimes the battle is not yours. It's the Lord's. You got to know when to give them a shout, okay? So anyways, I'm sticking down these full box stickers, and they were just so stinking beautiful, and the colors were so vibrant. I don't know, like, she did her thing with this kit, and I don't know if she hand draws them. I need to ask her if she hand draws these, because she did an amazing job with the artwork on here. I haven't seen it anywhere else, or maybe I just wasn't looking for it. Maybe it is someplace else, but she did an amazing job. So I was looking for like some glitter headers or some headers of some sort that would match, and I realized I don't have any black ones, like anything of a darker color. Y'all know me, I'm really like what is it? I'm a neutral person, so I guess I would include blacks. But I'm more so like a pastel-y person. So a lot of the things I had were of the pastel persuasion. So I was trying to figure out how I can make it work, and I found those Scribble Print Co. Little headers, glitter headers and stuff, and I decided to use some of those because the kit that I got, and I'm not even sure if it was a bigger kit, but I just ordered the first one I seen. So I probably need to slow my roll sometimes and just, you know, take a little bit more, a little longer look at things to make sure that I'm ordering what I need to be ordering. So I like the look of the staggering in my planner. And with a TN, you really don't have to use a kit at all. I mean, you can definitely just use what you have, use Happy Planner stickers. You can use whatever. I just like the way kits look in my planner. It's a personal preference. And y'all know me, my creative side doesn't shine all the time like I want it to. So I just like using this. And this kit spoke to me, not just because of like the colors and stuff, but you know, it's the end of Black History Month, and just so much been going on in the world. Like, we got the Gucci thing going on. We got Jussie. I mean, it's just a whole Jordan. We could even add Jordan into the mix. Like, I don't know. I'm not ready to take them kind of L's during Black History Month. So anyway, I just wanted to kind of shine a little light. And last year, Black Panther like really did it. Some people really didn't like the movie, and I liked the movie. Don't get me wrong. I am a Marvel like connoisseur. Okay, I've seen all of the Marvel installments thus far from the Marvel Cinematic Universe. Okay, so just so you know that I haven't like watched all the cartoons and all that stuff, but everything from the Marvel Cinematic Universe I have seen. And when Black Panther came out, like, I was really excited because of the culture that it expressed, and it gave us a different view of the Black perspective. And I love the fact that it highlighted the women. Like, there was so many Black girl magic moments in that movie that you couldn't pass it up and be like, man, this is like terrible. You had to look at it for what it did for the culture, and I was here for that. I really appreciated that. So that's why this kit really brought out something, because I remember that feeling like when I went to see the movie 3 times. I saw it 3 times. Don't judge me, in the movie theater. Because it was just an awesome movie. Like, and it spoke to me every single time. I felt powerful. I felt empowered through that movie. And I know that's kind of awkward to feel through a movie, but I definitely felt that, and I was here for it. It gave me life. And yeah, so that's why I was excited when I found this kit, and I thought, you know what, girl, you can make something really happen with it. So that's me staggering all of the boxes, and I just put a couple of those there. That box on Thursday, y'all, still to this day, me and my son, we do the whole Wakanda, like, hey, here we are, handshake thing, and it's just so stinking cute. And I just love the attention to art this time. But yeah, so much is going on in the world. So much is going on in my life. This just brought me just a little bit of peace and a little bit of happier times, and just wanting to celebrate, you know, who we are, being women. And it's just, I don't know, y'all. Like, I'm going to keep saying that because it just was an amazing kit. So yeah, I used as much Simply Gilded as I could, because I told y'all I am not hoarding this time. I refuse to hoard. And I'm using this new pen. I saw it on Planet Rocks. You guys may know her as For It's Rocks. She does reviews and stuff on TV shows, and she was my inspiration for doing my reviews and stuff because I loved her so much. But she had this Kaweiko pen. I'll put a link to it. It is a little bit pricier, but y'all, it writes so amazing. It is an amazing pen, and it's a pen from Germany too. So y'all know how I am about my exclusive pens. So of course I have since found the white one and the black one. And now I have those coming in too. And now I'm done. I'm done with these pens. I will not purchase another one. That is it. I will not fall down this rabbit hole with these. So I took that Happy Planner sticker book, the big one, the super jumbo pack from Joann's. I took that and I brought in those like to-do headers and stuff like that, because the kit didn't come with those, but I thought that would be a good little touch, having that script there and just adding some of that stuff before I decided to write in all of the things. Now, this weekend, you guys, don't forget that the Budget Misses will be in Memphis and we'll be doing our thing. I'm really excited about that. And I hope you guys will come out and make sure you guys watch our videos and, you know, see what we have going on. We're planning our next one. And y'all, we are planning it to the best of our ability, but it is so, New York is expensive. I don't know how y'all survive in New York. Like, kudos to all y'all that's living in New York or the surrounding area and, you know, doing your thing. Because, child, I'm sitting here like, I couldn't even imagine trying to make it and do all that y'all be doing and have it going on. Because, honey, Shay is like putting together, she's doing the work. I told y'all before, like, she's doing the leg work now for Budget Misses, and I have taken over the leg work for Planning a Better Me retreat. And that way we can put our focus on things and, you know, really get things done without straining ourselves or whatever, overworking ourselves, however you want to say that. So anyways, I am excited about getting a chance to see her. Whenever we link up, it's a good time. It's fun. And I love it to pieces. And so that's going to be fun. My Mondays are kind of booked and busy. I have those meetings for the retreat that I do. Then I'm usually doing shop work and recording videos, doing this voiceover. I'm doing a lot of stuff on Mondays, getting things done. And so I usually try to plan my week around my Mondays and my Sundays. I think I said that last week too. But yeah, so I added some of the little stickers, the little icon stickers. I thought that would be a great touch this time, adding in those stickers so it could be a quick point of reference, knowing exactly what I have to do when I look at it. And I am in my A5, if I haven't said that before, and this printout is from the Digital Dash box. And I do like it. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep with this one because of the bottom part, but then I also don't want to purchase another one either. So there's that. So yeah, that's just me writing in everything and trying to make sure I highlight everything that's going on this weekend. And you guys get to enjoy my pretty handwriting. Okay, so I had to cough. My bad, y'all. So I'm just finishing up my writing and writing in Sunday and all that stuff that was going on, doing the live Playing With Me. I really love those. Those have been getting like real deep and I'm here for it. I'm here for the entire thing. So now I'm just sticking it in here. I struggled with this because my jump band is too small. It's made for my B6 and not my A5. So that's why this is like trying to figure out how to stick it. Then I didn't like where I stuck that Simply Gilded gray one at. I tried to force that and it just did not work. So I replaced it back with some of that small Simply Gilded washi, and that is what I did.
All right, you guys, so here is my completed spread for this week, the last week of Black History Month. I'm so excited how this turned out. I really love the artwork in this kit. It is so amazing and so, like, I don't know, it's just like really true. And so I have these leftovers. Now, y'all know I love nails, and I don't know where I'm going to put this. I'm not really sure just yet. But I was like, if I do anything, I can use this in my mini and kind of recreate some of this same stuff here and use it in my, not my mini, in my B6. I can use it in there, and that could possibly be an idea for me, and you know, just use Simply Gilded and all that stuff. So I really had fun creating this. It was, I like this little banner thing right here. It's just really kind of, not a banner, but like a border type thing, and then I wrote in the box. I kind of like that. I may do that going forward. This just gives me room to kind of write little notes or things like that that I may need to write throughout the week. And I left the space on Wednesday because I can't remember here, and I couldn't find my Bible study stickers, and I'm wondering if I left them at work. But anyways, this is my Bible study night, so I don't know if I said that or not. But here is the complete spread, and it has some foil into it, and I love it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will catch you in the next one. Mwah! KK, bye.